Hello guys! We are here in New South Wales, border of Queensland and New South Wales. Today is Saturday and it's time to gala! Here, I'll show you the view. Magandang maligo dito, oh. Ang linaw ng ano. Ang linaw ng tubig. Ang daming ano, small fish. It's the last month of winter and still the weather is really nice. It's a lovely day. Pwede, punta tayo doon, di. Tara. Pwede. Gala-gala.
Kumain.
Hmm? Ten years na ako dito sa sa Australia. But first time ko makapunta dito.
Hindi nakagala.
Hindi nakagala dahil sa busy sa trabaho ba? Walang time sa gala. Diyos ko Lord. Trabaho pa more.
And so we had a little prayer on the thing. The next day, it was like, la la la, the sun was out, and I'm so happy for people to be around. Yeah, I'm so happy that it's sunny today. So, no.
Look, there's a fish in here. May isda.
So, this is a glorious day. So, it hasn't been winter. I've been cold probably a few times. But it's not really. Come on, spring.
Nilagyan na daw nila ng microchip yung mga Pepsi sa Coca-Cola. Diyos ko.
Ano?
Ba yan? Hindi na
Microchip?
kaya painumin ng Coca-Cola.
Bakit lagyan ng
Microchip.
microchip?
Huling panahon na tayo.
Ha?
Huling panahon na tayo.
De. Hoy, this is text.